Okay friends, so this is where we left in the previous video. There was some technical problem, but I have uploaded that video. So you can go till there, and after that you can visit this video. So in the previous video, that is in the part 7, we were discussing like this error was coming when I was compiling my my AngularJS application. So this error is coming from this dummy data. And why it is coming? Because I have not added the comma at the end. And once I will add the comma at the end and I will just save it, then you will be able to see that these errors are gone and it will be fine now. Okay, so compiled successfully. So let's go back to the student data component.ts. Here as well, I have just imported student and std records from dummy data and student. Okay, so here I'm just going to create one student record. Here I'm going to give it name students, students. Students is equal to what I'm going to give, std records. That's it. Students is equal to std records. And let's see, it compiled. Yes, it is compiled. Now let's go back to the component.html. Here as well, directly we are going to display the list of elements. So li asterisk, what we used, ng for is equal to let k of students. Okay. So now we can just print all these values like k dot, what will be the first thing, roll number. Then after that I'm giving just this pipe, and then I'm writing like k dot name, and then I'm giving like k dot course, and then I'm giving it like k dot addres. Okay, so these things are there in the students, and students is getting iterated using this ng-for directive, because this ng-for is a repeater directive in the AngularJS. So it is iterating through each of the elements and just getting one by one all the elements, and in each iteration it is displaying the roll number and then name, then course, and then address. So let's compile it. Okay, so it has been compiled. So let's see if we can go there and let's see what happens. Okay, so here you can see 1000 Prakash, Tinni, Gopu, Vijay, and Sanjay that we created in the last video. They are all displayed here. So this is the way you can iterate through. And again, the same thing, the if condition that we used there. So let's just do one exercise for that one as well. Ng if is equal to, you just need to write like students, and the same thing, if the count of the students is greater than 2, then what we will do, we will just display that there are more than 2 students. Okay, so let's compile it and let's see what is the result. Okay, so there are more than 2 students. So guys, now you have seen that how you can use the class as well, and in the previous videos we have also seen that how we can create a simple application using the component class. So I hope now you are understood about the component, the HTML view component, and what is the relation of those components with this app.module.ts. You can see that you don't need to add your student data here. It automatically added here. It has automatically imported in app.module.ts, and in the declaration section as well, it has imported this, it has added this, right? So this is automatically done by the Angular IDE platform, but you should be aware that what all those things that happens behind the scene. So that's all guys for today, and after that in the next video we will discuss few more things, few more concepts. Until then, have a nice day and bye bye, and please don't forget to share my videos and like my channel. Okay.